Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm about to teach you a very interesting fascinator. Okay, it's a trendy type of fascinator. So I'll be using my crinoline to decorate it. Okay, so at first, I'm going to be measuring out length of 40 inches. And this is it here, length of 40 inches. And I will measure this into three places. Three places. Okay, so I can just use this um, as a guide to cut out the remaining three. So remember that the length I use is length of 40 inches. Okay, or you can just measure it instead of using this pattern. You can just measure it out. Okay, so I have my three layers, length of 40 inches each of this big size crinoline. Okay, so let's move to the next step. First step, I'm going to pick each of these layers. I pick it up, fold it into two. Okay, so I'll repeat this for these other two layers. Okay, so I pick it up, fold it into two, pick up another one, fold it into two, pick the third one and fold it as well into two. Okay, so at this point I need the three of them to be joined together. So you can stitch it, but most preferably glue it. Okay, you can glue and tie it. Pick it up and tie each of them. Okay. So this is it, the three layers. Now it's time to form the design. Okay, hope you are following. This is it. Hi guys, so the next step I would like to do again after tying the three is to pick each of them. I need them to stay in place, so it's to pick each of them and stitch them all together. Okay, so let me pin it and quickly show you where I'm going to stitch. So I'm gonna stitch them all together. So this is what I mean. This is what I mean, stitching stitching the three all together. Can you see my pins? So this is the folded part. This is the other part. Okay? So this is what I mean. You stitch it down just for it to stay in place. So I have stitched the three of them all together. Okay? Along this line. So it's time to create this very beautiful design. Okay, so I'm going to be folding this part this way. I take it to the extreme. Okay, just follow me. I believe you understand what I'm doing. So I take it all together again. Now, depending on whether I want this hole to be here, if not, I'll simply drag it a bit just for it to cover up. You understand? Then I will take the next step. Then I will take the next step. And this is it. And this is it. Okay? So if you want this not too tight, You want it loose. It's just for you to loosen it. Can you see how it appears? Can you see that? If you don't understand this, you can simply rewatch this video as many times as you like. Okay? It's very simple design and a very beautiful design. So this is it. Assuming you want it tight, you simply pull it. If you want it a bit loose, you can just do it this way. So when you pick up your fascinator, you can simply place it and place this. Can you see that? This is how you achieve, how you create that very beautiful design. Now, I know you find value. Oh, yeah. Give me the like button, okay? Leave a comment if you enjoyed this tutorial, okay? So, just to encourage me. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, why not subscribe so that you stay updated once I drop my tutorials? Okay, so once you have formed this design this way, the next thing is simply to pin it down or you tack it, okay? If you have placed your thread in your needle, you simply tack it down, okay? So carefully tack it down, carefully tack it down. While tacking, ensure this part is very neat, okay? Carefully tack it down, carefully. When you have packed it, you can now fold this part and also tack it under, okay? Can you see, this is a very beautiful design. Can you see that? Okay, so also tap down this. So at this point, so I will simply apply my glue to help it stick to the fascinator base. Okay, this is it. See our beautiful design. So if you find value, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel so that you stay updated once I drop my next tutorial. And I will see you all in the next tutorial.